kung bakit hindi makakapunta yung Vice Presidente. And in fact, doon sa pangalawang letter, may sinasabi ang abogado na 6 years ago, may threat ang Vice Presidente. So, hopefully confident ang Vice Presidente na iimbestigahan nyo rin yung issue na yon.
So 6 years ago, pero hindi niyo ba
6 years, 6 months. 6 months yata, Your Honor, 5 to 6 months.
Alright, so
if I'm not
sinabi
mistaken,
nung Representative ni VP Sara na 6 months ago, there was a threat against the life of the Vice President.
Yun po yung nasa letter.
Okay, inusisan niyo ba kung ano yung threat na pinagsasabi niya?
Nagkanda ko kami, Your Honor, ng open source. Wala ko kami na-validate, sir, na aside doon sa pag-aalis ng 75 personnel na security personnel from BPSPG,
Okay.
and then inilipat ho sa Manila, wala ho kaming na-validate nor na-confirm. Your Honor, insofar ho as Cybercrime Division is concerned, pero hindi ko po alam, baka yung intelligence service namin meron, o kaya yung director may alam.
Last na lamang, Mr. Witness. Kasi sabi mo, ulitin ko dun sa 6 months ago naka-receive ng threat against ang BP. Sabi mo kanina,
if I may,
sabi
Your
ng abogado, right? So, kasi kung ako sa'yo, if I was the investigator, I would say, okay, ano yung threat 6 months ago? Pwede ka bang magpakita ng may ebidensya? Pwede ka bang makita ng proof or mga witnesses na pwede naman interviewin to that effect? For that?
Your Honor, ang nag-usap po, Your Honor, si the then Director Judge Jaime B. Santiago at saka yung lawyers, Your Honor.
So, hindi okay. Last na naman po. Now, can you say in certainty na talagang wala o meron threat against the life of the Vice President?
I cannot...
Based on your investigation, based on your experience.
Well, given na wala ho kaming validated information at confirmed any data, hindi ho ako makakapag-comment, Your Honor. Kailangan ko po yun.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo.